Hello! In this Sophie Shorts video, I'm going to be talking about the Halloween costume ideas that my sister and I came up with to do from the clothes that we already have in our closets. So let's do it! So I'm going to go through each of the costume ideas, and then when that's all done, I want you guys to go in the comments below and guess what costumes my sister and I picked to do, and then I will be revealing those costumes on Tuesday, so make sure you check back in if you guessed. The first idea we came up with was Clueless because I have a few dresses in my closet that look exactly like what the characters wear in the movie, so we thought that'd be really fun and easy to do, and we both really love that movie, so we just thought it'd be a really fun costume to do. The next one my sister came up with was me being Sully and her being Boo from Monsters, Inc., and I think she came up with this one because she had been Boo before for a school spirit day, so she knew she had items in her closet that would fit the Boo costume, especially because it's so simple. And for Sully, it would be pretty easy. You just wear something blue, and I knew I had a blue sweater that would work for that, so that one was pretty easy to come up with. The next idea we both had was Disney princesses. Even though we don't have their exact dresses in our closets or anything like that, we would come up with costumes inspired by what they wore in the movie. So I was thinking to either be Aurora or Cinderella, and my sister is thinking to either be Rapunzel because she has really long hair, or Belle because she definitely looks like Belle. The next idea we came up with was being the characters from the 100 Acre Woods, or you might know them as Winnie the Pooh characters. So I was thinking to be either Winnie the Pooh or Piglet, and my sister is thinking to be Eeyore because we both like each of those characters, and it would just be a pretty easy costume to do. The next idea we came up with was Strawberry Shortcake, where I would be Strawberry Shortcake because I love pink and the character overall is just super cute and super fun, and my sister would be Blueberry Muffin because she, one, has the same hair as the character, which is really cool, and two, she loves the color blue and the character's overall style, which is just really fun, and we just thought they'd go perfect together. The next idea we came up with was the Pixie Fairies because we both have always loved those movies and we just thought it'd be really fun. We've never been the fairies before, so I was thinking I'd be Tinkerbell, and my sister is thinking she would be Fawn because she just looks exactly like her with her long hair that she would put in a braid and her hazel eyes. It would just be perfect. The last two ideas are individual ideas that my sister and I would do separately. So the idea for my sister is Vanellope Von Schweetz because she looks exactly like the character, and we just thought it'd be really fun to do cool makeup for that character with candy and all of that. It would just be really fun. And for me, that character would be Rosalina from the Mario series. She is most present in Super Mario Galaxy, which is a game I really love, and I just love her character. And if you can spot back there, I'm pointing at them, are Lumas my best friend Sarah made for me, and she has Lumas in the game, so I just thought it'd be a really fun costume idea to try. So those are all of the costume ideas, but I want you to keep in mind when you're putting your guess in the comments that any of these ideas, even if I set them together, can also be done individually. So make sure when you're putting your guess down to put a guess for each of us, either together as a duo or individually, whatever you think we are going to end up picking. And I just really want to see your guesses because I think it'd be super fun and it would make for a pretty fun reveal on Tuesday. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!